Guys, welcome back to another video. So I got a new gaming monitor, the same brand, AOC Gaming. It's 27-inch. My other one was 24. It's so small, but this one is more bigger. It has every feature. It has no audio. G-Sync 165 megahertz. It has IPS, wide view, 1ms, HMI. You name it, guys. It has all the features. So you got the book here, guys, the manual book for the monitor. Then you got some cables here. Ooh, new cables. And then we got the power supply, the monitor, the cable. Okay, so we got the stand here, stand it up. And then this is the leg. And here's the back of the monitor. It's nice. Monitor on the right side, standing up. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching.